Tusimame.
I'm the $60 million man. Manangu. Mama. Hey.
Anakukiss. Why? Wacha baba daddy is kissing you. Alikuwa
Manangu ingia.
Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this house. Oh my God, good morning. Even my face is changing. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. And in case you're new here, please kindly feel free to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. Amen. Even my voice has really changed because of the environment. Come on, man. It's cold over here. And of course, on the other hand, is like I'm in the house. And I just woke up. Good morning from this beautiful village over here in our beautiful bulletproof house. I really missed this bulletproof house, and today this is what you see. The moment we arrived, we just scattered stuffs, just opened and scattered them to avoid stuffness, just to scatter them everywhere. So the house is full of stuffs and full of our clothes, full of our stuff, baby clothes, baby items like the stroller, like the bath station. But anyway, let's put that aside. It's a beautiful day over here. We can't complain again. It's amazing to be here. It hits back again. It hits nice to be back again, to reunite with the family. And of course, I'll be also showing you our reaction with my dad, my reaction with my grandma, reaction with my mom, reaction with brothers, with sisters, with neighbors around here. It will be really great and nice, because now when my dad knows that now we are having a family, hey, his excitement is just on top. It's top notch. So yeah, I'll be taking you outside, but before that we'll be cleaning this house, or afterwards we'll be cleaning this house, just arranging it in order, because now look and see, things are just scattered. It's a beautiful day. Let's go out and see what's happening, and also we can see the reaction of other people, like, hey, that's somebody's mama, huh? Shouting. At least even the sun is coming out, the sun which is moderate, the sun which is has full of vitamin D. You know, in Mombasa, the moment the sun is coming out, it's already hot, too hot to handle. That's my grandma's house. I don't know how she woke up. She just slept. I don't know how she woke up. Let me check. It's clean. Bibi, good morning. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you feeling? You good?
You good?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, fine.
Yeah, fine.
So ukiamka wote jua, sawa? Haya. This is my grandma. This for now she can stretch a little bit. Iko sawa?
Oh.
Say guys, I love you.
I love you.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, that's my grandma. And yeah, so it's good morning over here. Do me, I just go anywhere. There's nothing to hide, there's nothing to cover. On the previous video you saw she was leaving, but I think by now I haven't yet taken care of her good, because we just bought some painkillers. The levofloxacin, it's a medicine, levofloxacin and Toraxa MR, which is the muscle relaxant. So at least for now she's feeling a little better, but I just need to do something big and also use the deep heat. So look, this they don't want to leave each other. Hug it. Hug it.
I think it remembers me, guys.
Very well. You know,
I used to take care of it.
yeah, feed a dog for 1 day and it remembers you for 12 days.
Yeah.
For 12 years.
Yeah, the bro was saying like he has never like, he doesn't follow up anyone. But when he came back, he started following us. Guys, good morning, good afternoon.
Halima. Show them. Ringa. Aya. kama kidudu mtu. Haya. Hey, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to
Good
you
evening.
too. Stop biting me. Good evening to you too.
Hey, look at it.
Yeah, but yeah, it won't leave me. It's jumping all over.
Jumping all over.
Yeah.
It sings. Yeah, guys, good morning. This is my wife. I mean, how we are just back home over here. Everything is cool. The cold is just top notch, but we can't complain.
It is too
It's
cold.
just
Have you
normal.
covered the baby?
Yeah, I've covered the
Well.
baby. Yeah, well.
Okay.
I was just doing what we call like I want just to bask, so because I just want to leave my body this way so that I can. How do we say?
You.
Yeah, conjoin with the environment.
Uh,
Already the skin is changing.
it will you know, there's something about this weather here. It is very, very harsh. I used to tell him, he never used to believe me.
Yeah.
But now you can see it when you're here, like it, your skin will break. Even your hands, the skin
Yeah,
will
it will
break.
crack.
You'll crack.
So the thing is,
If
for
you don't
now-
apply, some lotion on your body or some gel, it will.
it will tow you down.
Yeah,
So the
so-
good thing is we have to go and buy the sunscreen then.
Maybe yeah.
Yeah,
That
the
will be
sunscreen.
okay.
Because when I arrived here, everybody was like, "Hey, mzungu." Hey, everybody was like, "Hey."
Because your skin tone has changed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to Claude Joseph. It's road to 10,000 subs. Oh,
You is for 10,000.
10,000 is me.
Yeah.
40,000, 50,000 it's him.
Absolutely,
So
guys.
subscribe to his channel. Like his videos, share his videos if you can. Yeah, we are back to the village, and of course, back from where we left. You know,
We're going to pick from square
we'll
zero.
pick it from where we left it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that you can jump and run with it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me go. I was doing. I want to help her because I know the back is.
You help her.
Let me help her. And also you see our beautiful dog Selina. Hi. Amahoro. Eh, nimeza. Wanasema comment ça va bien. Eh, ça va bien. Eh, say something. Vuga kata ituande.
Unajua wewe Kirundi?
Katoi.
Katoi. Sio katoi.
Katoi.
Kanini?
Na katoi. Yeah, guys, this is Selina. She's a beautiful sister from the other side. You're with her over here. She's CJ's family always. Hi, Selina. Yeah, and also, bro, you wanna say something? This guy, I'll give you a story some days. This guy. Hi, man. Hi. How is everything?
Everything is all right now. I'm here
Washing. Bachelor life.
Yeah, bachelor life. Yeah, indeed.
Bachelor life is sweet, eh?
Yeah, it is sweet. Because there's no stress that my clothes are dirty. Can you come and wash? No.
Yeah.
You do it at
By
your
yourself.
time. Yeah.
It's DIY. You call it DIY. DIY.
Yeah.
Do it yourself.
Do it yourself.
Anyway, I see your house is looking good, man. Congratulations for the great work. Actually, guys, this is what I told you. You see, this we always say that this is a bulletproof house. Now you build it like the one you see there. At house, this one, then you cover it well. You make some plaster, and then you can see the inside now. Hey, it looks clean. Look, It's only that he has remained with painting and other stuffs. Maybe some days he can say goodbye to bachelorhood. But for now,
You're just preparing.
you're preparing, right?
Preparing the way for the coming.
Mess- Okay, bro. Nice meeting you and having you over here. Also, we see Mama. What are you doing, Ma? Oja. Pasua ketu. Pege. Kile. Ulipasua mi. Ra, acha nikusaidie. Let me help you. Hiyo ni mbovu. Kuja shika kamera. Kilia hivi. Guys, this is my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes, how are you? You good?
I'm fine.
The other day we saw you with Rastafari Conquer Rebellion. But for now, you are having shika vizuri.
Sika vizuri.
Shika vizuri. Guys,
Pole shokini.
Let me remember this kind of work. You know, here in the village, this is how we are doing to fetch firewood. Making firewood slowly by slowly. Hey, bro, I haven't forgotten, bro.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hold the X.
Huh? I think I have to prepare this shocker well, because mostly
The X is somehow. Might jump off the tree.
the X is telling you your X is not okay. Okay.
Takatara chi. Tukare kasia.
Unaambia chile. Angu turi gote. Huamini? Naweza pasua kuni. Hamuna niona aje.
Shoka hiyo ndio nakuhurumia. Unatumia nguvu mingi.
Unaniona?
Hiyo shoka itaki kutumiwa nguvu.
Unaniona mimi nakaa aje?
Kusenyi wa kuni ni jako, tunyia mkusenyi kuni.
Eh.
Jako, walikuwa nasanya mpaka kila mtu anakuja kuomba kuni.
Unaona? You see? You see? You come on now. Unaniona goi goi unaishi mjini.
Goi goi.
You see? You see?
Nisaidie kwa shuke para akaya hapo kwa juu.
Sawa.
Serina. Saidia kwa shuke kwa hapo kwa juu.
So, yes, this is what you see. You see? Huh? You say you know how to kukata kuni. You see me here. Unaniona aje sasa? Unaniona tu ni mtu. Niko eh?
Niko ni jina la mtu.
You still have the power. Village power.
She doesn't understand that. You know, she sees me as if like I'm new here. Huh? I'm not new. This is the job that we have. I remember I used to brew alcohol. Who's this bag? Ukipika changa. I used to brew you. Yeah. That's life, guys. If you haven't passed through that life, oh my God. I used to brew alcohol. So I used to know how to split firewood well. So that's where we came from. So,
Come on.
and you know it used to be a local liquor. And very legal. So if you be caught, if you are caught, it's crazy. That's true, boy, right? Yaje. Popoa. Yeah, so the axe is saying something different here. At least now at least you see, guys, I've done something. So let me make it. You see now the axe is not okay, and this is how you see it. Yeah, so let me show you something. This. Now the axe is almost good. I can finish my work slowly by slowly. Slowly by slowly. Muravepe. Yani benyunku yakaburi kumurona achere.
Nchokore kasien. Ndage wese no ni yen.
Hello baby. Yani benyunku nyukamuri okuja na hikire.
Tere ukora ma.
You see now? I'm here. And behind the camera.
Taratora maino tatiko. Ma.
Oh,
Boro na boka.
Guys, village life. This is the typical local gym ever. Typical local gym. So I have to finish this log actually. Finish it completely until it's done. Now I think Mama can give me big ugali when I finish this. Because she thought I was just joking. But for now, You can see it now. Just like that. Yes. You see? Easy, easy. You see this kind of work? It's done with CJ or by CJ. So I think today Mama will now give me a very big gift. Mama, niweke wapi? Mpeleka jikoni.
Anika. Iko kuoneka na watu.
You see? Today. Hello baby.
Yes.
A lot of things, bro. A lot of work to be done in the village. Ziweke zikauke. Wait them to dry. And then it's good to help. That can prepare even soup for grandma.
Bibi.
You know?
Kana bibi huko.
Pia amelala na utajua kwa kitanda.
Subscribe.
You see a lot. So this is the last track. Sometimes we cook using firewood as a source of fuel, electricity, gas. So, but this is the main firewood. It's the main source of work over here. So I think I'm done. I have to put this over here, and then this I take this one. This is the pan. Yeah. I'm now energetic. Sasa tumemaliza baridi yote. Yeah. Now after work, you can now ride a little bit. Also you do the leg. This is the best way to do. Ay, ano. Kami ana, ito mo kaya na ngoliga tua. Kesira. I think we need to go for a bike ride, in the village. You wait, there's some days we've been, but let me show you how the work is around, and you appreciate that, right? Yeah. So guys, let me show you what's going on in here. They have just removed everything, all the stuff that has been inside here. Now they're removing it, so it's just typical cleaning for one bedroom house. Oh my god, it has been crazy. But anyway, let's just do some thorough cleaning and then we see. Yeah, so they're washing there. Also they decided to remove everything. It's here. Well, also they're clean in there and everything will be well. So let me to my mama's house so that I can have even breakfast. We see how it will be on this other end. So my reward, breakfast in mama's house. Breakfast. Somebody. Yeah. Hi. Hey, our mandazis are not yet off.
Mom made me breakfast.
Oh, even me want breakfast. Yeah. Put me tea.
I
Put me tea. Mama's tea. Hey, they can have tea. This is my mom's house or my dad's house. I'm waiting for what time he will come. I want to see his reaction, his reaction while carrying the baby. Yeah, so it's been nice way. Oh, okay.
Breakfast is here. The tea is delicious.
The tea is delicious.
I was actually thinking, instead of us buying the packets of milk, we can look for
a local person who have cow.
With cows, so they be bring the
milk
fresh
in them. Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Or maybe okay, I'll buy a cow. I'll buy a cow.
Huh? So wait,
milk cow.
Before that time, before you buy a cow. Yeah.
Yeah. For baby Maria. Alright guys, let me have breakfast, then let's see what's happening, okay? It's milk tea. Today we have milk tea. Yeah.
Welcome my husband.
Kneel down.
Never.
Kneel down. Kneel down.
Never. My legs are aching.
Okay. One day you'll kneel down.
I'll
Alright.
kneel down.
Yeah, for you to be beauty.
No. So that's a wife.
As a wife material. Alright,
No.
guys, let me have tea. And then we'll see what's happening. Alright?
Okay.
May Almighty God bless this tea. Have a nice serve you. Amen.
Hey.
And then, just like that. Okay. Despite the room being small, but you can have a view from outside who is coming, like you see my brother is passing. And yeah, we are trying to fix it over here. We were trying to fix maybe the wardrobe, washing everything, wiping. What do you wipe?
Yes.
So wiping everything. So we were trying to check if the baby bed can suit here. And let me show you what's happening. Turn the camera just like that. So yeah. So
I think you put it from the other corner.
No, if you want to put it from the other corner, you have to exchange. I think because now this one traveled, the other ones have been washed, so it's just to remove it so that it will be washed for now.
Yeah.
The good thing with these things that they're just like you just can fold it and fold it. So like this and this one here. If this one is to avoid the baby from falling, I can't show them. Is it see? This one. So you can as well adjust it. So you can put it up to that place. If you want to pick the baby from here for him or her to be free. And then you can when she's asleep and you don't want any disturbance, maybe from the wind blocking anything, you just lift it up. Just like that.
Yeah.
And then it's well. So everything is okay, fantastic. We give thanks to Almighty God. This one has also helped to help. This one you have to clean it somewhere.
Put it at the corner there now.
No, this one you fix it this way. Oh my God. No, fix it this way. Fix it this way. Oh my God. It's hard to go in. Very hard to go in. Oh my God. No, come on.
Put it from down.
It can't go in. So I'll have to force it. Just like that. And then just like that. So yeah, you can fix it here. Let me show you. Here you fix it. Just like that. Yeah, just like that. So you can put your baby there and then you yeah, something like that. So something like that is okay. So some things here are going to be washed. The things like this to put baby some stuff in. So
Or if there's not enough space, you can just fold them and keep them inside the bed.
Somewhere.
Under the bed, there's a space you can.
Under the bed, but now also to open from the bed, everything
God.
is just closed.
Okay.
So anyway, it has really balanced itself. You know, we give much thanks to Almighty God because although the house has been so small,
But we are trying
we are
to.
trying to manage everything
Yeah.
so that we can have that space for the baby, and also we see what's happening. You know?
At least it's clean and not
This is
stuffy.
clean, yeah, and it's not much. It's not stuffy because it has a spacious window. And then we can check what will be happening. Anyway, in regard for that, let me just show you what's happening, and then we'll be ending the video. We're waiting for our dad to come and see his reaction.
Okay.
Okay. Also, most of the things will be in here. This is the guest room, but for now it will be Melo's room. For now, until he fix this other room. There's another room here that I want to build it. This one over here. I think I want to build it and finish it, and then so that can also give us ample time to store some stuff, because here with my sister Melo, a guest. So yeah, for now our house, where you see it over here. So we are cleaning. See, also in the kitchen. Oh my god, there's a lot of things we have to clean. Selena clean. So we have to clean everything. End up with. So yeah, I want to run somewhere, to just go run some errands, and then I'll come back a little bit. Okay, yeah, it's perfect, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is Melo Howie certificate of participation in what? Appreciation of aquatic swimming gala. I'm telling you, my boy is crazy in swimming. Swimming gala held on 12th October 2024 at St. Patrick de Val. Thank you for being a part of a memorable day, and we look forward to your continued participation. Well done. I think this is the best. Melo has a certificate of swimming. Guys, we are here, and this is all that we've been doing, but still, it looks this way. You know, look that way. It has been tiresome, very tiresome, and I had to rush to somewhere just to rush somewhere because I had something to go do in the village, then run, come back. But oh my god, look, it has been done. They have cleaned this kind of a room. You have seen how they have cleaned it, they have arranged it. So this is the room for Melo, and these are the stuff that have been removed, also arranged. So today it was just part of the bedrooms and kitchen. So the living room will be done maybe tomorrow, but for now, see, oh, my baby is asleep. So I decided to arrange and change this wardrobe to be Maria's wardrobe a little bit, just that what you see, to arrange her clothes. Her bed will be there, and this is how everything is. This was my network. I was connecting it today. So her bath station will be around here, and our toilet. Let me put on. Yeah, this is our toilet, our indoor toilet. So Maria's bath station will be around here, so that we'll put a lot of things in this room because it's the bedroom where we'll be with Maria. So it's just her things, and some other small stuff that we'll be arranging them. And also, yeah, this is our shaggy room now. It's in a mess. Look, who will help me clean? Oh my god. But thank god I called someone who was with here, who was helping us to clean. And so this is what you see. Our kitchen is also coming in shape. Things have been arranged well, as you see. Very well. They look clean and nice. And also outside here, this is now the place that actually I've been looking to finish it as fast as possible, so that we can cover up here, and then maybe some stuffs can be out here for laundry. And that's my brother and my wife. My brother is just doing some trimming of the flowers. I really told you guys, when I'm home, there's a lot to fix. I told you it's back to square zero, but there's a lot to fix. So my brother is fixing. Hey, wave from there. Yes, that's my wife. And yeah, let me take you there, near, because my shoes are not around, to this side. But I'm so much impressed that the kitchen looks very clean and nice, very neat. You know, our stuffs are arranged. This is my moringa, actually. This is moringa, very fresh from the tree. But in the living room, this is what you have to see for now, guys. Don't come for me. And even if you come watching you, you know, you have been seeing me all time. And here is the mzee. Hi.
I'm a security.
You're a security.
My home here.
Hey. Jump. Mzee.
Jam.
Hi, how are you?
Unaniita jam.
Jam.
So jam. Okay.
Jam.
How
is everything?
What is happening?
What's happening? How is everything?
Am I okay?
You're
ready.
You're ready.
I'm checking my phone. This bike.
You actually, guys, today I just rushed to go and fix this motorbike, this bike, for just some little errands. I left it the other day with my dad, and he got an accident with it, and people were coming for me that I left this bicycle to my dad so that it can kill. When I actually traveled to Ghana, those days back when I traveled to Ghana, so people started saying that when I left this bike to my dad, actually it used to be mine that running. So when I left it to him so that he can also be running it around, and then he got an accident, a motorbike that has been, it's illegally like running some things, like they're this glory that they always crash the gold. So they were being chased by police. So my dad was crossing by, and then he was knocked by that motorbike. So the tide just coiled to 8. So people started saying, now I told you, this boy, he's in Ghana, he wants to kill the dad. So today, because I was like, it was not, so the rim, so we just improvised. This is not its original rim. Its original rim. So we just improvised it. From this is the original rim. So it got some crack here. This is what you see here. So when he was knocked down, this one cracked. So it's just fixed to 8. And then so today, because I have no my motorbike around, so this one will be helping me to run some errands, you know. So but for that, this is what you see. My brother has been washing, a lot has been happening. My wife is here. She's just very tired.
Very tired.
Very tired.
Why did you bring the camera to me?
So this is what you tend to see my brother is doing over here, you know. So he's fixing things also today. So he's trying to also to groom the compound to look neat and very, very nice. You know, the other time it was very bushy on the other end, because he has been always busy. So today he was a little bit free because it was a weekend on a Saturday. And this is what you try to see. I'm telling you, maybe tomorrow I'll be showing you the whole tour compound, before and after. But for now, this is what you see before. What you see before, the way it is. This is how it looks like. And yeah, one thing I'm very, very... Have you seen the grass, babe?
Well, that one.
No, the other one.
I saw it yesterday.
Oh, okay. So this is what you try to see over here. So like this is before. It's so bushy, very, very bushy. Very, 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 very bushy, guys. You can just check it for now. Very bushy. But in a few days from now, you'll see them down, very neat, clean. So yeah, also this other end, the grass has really grown very, 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 very well and great. I'm just grateful. It's evening time, as you see. The sun is going down, and we say when the sun goes down, so that's what we mean. When the sun goes down, a lot of things happen. So yeah, just slowly by slowly glooming, fixing everything to come back to its original place, or to its original point. That's what we really wish for and what we really believe. So like, see, I'm telling you, this is what I'm telling you. Very clean and great, amazing. Also we have some security right there. Godi Dodi, mambo vip, eh? Godi Dodi, that's our neighbor Godi Dodi. So yeah, there's another security light there, and I think some days I'll just fix another security light over here, so that the house, maybe even you'll be doing a stream, it will be better. So I want to rush somewhere. Hopefully the sun will not go down, because where I'm heading is this side. So I'll be heading there, then maybe we'll be ending our video from the other side from there. But for now, let us just show you a little bit what's going on, and then we'll appreciate what's happening. So you are teaching Mzee what to do. My dad with a lot of stories. He's so excited, you know. So yeah, he even carried me yesterday. Hopefully it was on camera, but you'll see it by the end of this video. Hey, what's up, man? We were doing what you call like splitting of firewood. This is what you see. Slowly by slowly, they are now fully done, what you call like fully dry. And we always cook from in here in our kitchen, normal kitchen, you know. So yeah, just this is CJ from a very humble background. Sometimes when you see me online, maybe flashing here up and down, maybe spending time on a beautiful place at the beach, maybe you see, hey, if I meet this, man, cool down, if I meet this guy is a very rich millionaire, billionaire. No, this is where I come from. This is background. That's my house, my dad's house, my grandma's house. That's my brother's house, and this is our kitchen. So don't always say, hey, this guy. Eh? You look rich. You look rich, but we come from this very humble background, and I'm always appreciating this kind of background. Some days I know things will change and we will be somewhere else, because we always trust in God. Where we were the other day, it's not where we are today. So we appreciate every single star, every single step we do, every single thing we do, we appreciate. And more so me, personally, CJ Claude Joseph. Man, me, I'm really grateful where I am. I was actually, this used to be our boys' room over here, but for now it's just has just remained something like this one. So this was the one that I myself became an engineer, up to date. It has never gone down, this one. All right guys, thank you so much. Let's head somewhere, go somewhere, and then we'll end this video, right? Okay guys, see you. Yeah, after just fixing baby's bed, I just decided to walk around the neighborhood to see just how everything is around. Just hug some trees and feel the good energy, the vibe. Walk a little bit. I've been missing walking some place like this, just checking life, how everything is, how things have been moving around here. So you can see how green this place is. Also, there's a very nice indigenous trees on this end. Also, this stretch, you see a lot of great indigenous trees. So moving around, walking slowly, feeling the fresh air, having some birds chirping up and down. And also some days we'll be walking to our land to just go check how it's faring on. But for now, I just decided to just feel the fresh air from these great trees. You know, as I'm walking, I'm looking at them, hugging some of the trees. Feel better, how it feels better and great, you know. And also let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? What have you been experiencing so far? Comment down below what would you like to see on this vlog. What do you love to see more so when I'm in the village right now over here. And that's how everything, very cool and chill, quiet, just watching the road as we are moving or walking, you know, just to recover. You know, I've been on the motorbike for long, moving up and down, commuting, but today I just decided to coop up with the village life, resume back to work, run some errands, and well, it'll be good. You see, it's planting season. People have planted maize. You know, maize is the main staple food that we always use here. You know, every homestead you see, they plant maize, both for commercial and home use mostly. But for now, you can just check how green this place is. Alright guys, love and support. Now we'll be heading back home, and I appreciate this. Thank you so much. Feel free to comment down below, and feel free also to subscribe and say CJ sent me here. Also subscribe to my wife, me and Howie. I appreciate your love and support, and also to my brother Manu Claude. Oh man, show some love guys, show some love. Thank you so much, and let's say bye for now. Bye guys.
Tusimame.
I'm the $60 million man. Manango. Mama. Hey.
Anakukis. Wacha babu daddy is kissing you. Alikuwa
Anangia. It's part of the
Nipeka ninja. Ninja. Halo. Aya. Ruka juu.